Yo, welcome to the YouTube channel, guys. My name is Hughesy, and today we're going to be covering what makes a good stream setup. I often get asked why I'm streaming. Yo, Hughesy, how do I start streaming? What do I need for my stream to stand out? What things should I purchase, Hughesy? How can I make my stream more attractive so it stands out and people want to click on my video over the other thousands of streamers that are streaming at the same time? Well, today we're going to aim to cover all of them topics and improve your stream and make you stand out. Now, the first thing you should get if you're trying to take streaming seriously, in my opinion, is a face cam. Now, the reason you should get a face cam is because there's two aspects to your stream that people watch you for. First being your gameplay, and the second being you, the individual, the persona, the character. Now, if you have a face cam, people can build that deep personal relationship and bond with you and feel like they know you as a person, and then they can see you and they know what you look like. And not having a face cam is just, all you're left with is gameplay. Now, anyone could go onto YouTube and type in the game that you're playing and watch hours and hours of gameplay. What's the difference between your stream and that gameplay? But if you add a face cam into the scenario, into the situation, it is like a window, a peering window that people can look through into your room and into where you are in your space, that you can show off stuff. You could have plants behind you or cool backdrops, cool lighting that engages the viewer, that makes them feel like they're in a more quality stream. With that being said, you definitely don't need a face cam, and you can make it on Twitch without one. I think that the journey for you is going to be a lot harder, as the viewers can't make that deep personal connection as who you are as a person and what you look like, and they can't see your reactions and the way you react to the game you're playing. If you're scared or something's funny, seeing that big laughter and smile, and it's more engaging for a viewer. Like, if I click on a stream, I want to see someone's face. I want to see them light up and be happy when I follow, or see how they react when I subscribe or donate bits. But if you don't have a face cam, you're missing out on all that engagement and all that fun and interactiveness that the viewer craves. Now, the second thing I want to cover is audio. Now, you should take the time at this point, if you are getting this into Twitch, to invest back into your stream. And you can get away with having a microphone from just a pair of headphones. Like, you know, this is my Astro A40s. You know, these done the trick for quite some time, and it was fine. But if you want to get a bit more fancy with it, now upgrading your microphone to something that I've just done recently, and it has improved my stream greatly by having that better audio quality and sounding better on stream, and not having that underwater sort of sound and sounding tinny as the A40 microphone provided. It does the job, but it doesn't sound the best. Now, if you want to engage your viewer to the best you can, upgrade your microphone. A USB microphone is going to be plenty good enough for you for the time being, until you grow large enough so you can get a proper studio microphone and soundboard and sound really great. But for now, a USB microphone is fine. So something like a Blue Snowball, Blue Yeti, a Rode NT. I've just picked up the HyperX Quadcast. No, I'm not sponsored for this. I wish I was. That'd be pretty cool. And it's great so far. I'm really enjoying it. Now, the next thing you're going to want to do, which is something I haven't done yet, isn't 100% necessary, but if you're taking streaming seriously for the long haul, reinvesting some of the money that you make from your stream into some things that are going to make it easier for you to be a streamer. Now, as a streamer, we sit at our desk for quite an extended period of time, so having a chair that supports your posture and allows you to game more comfortably for longer periods of time is going to benefit you in the long run. Sitting in a chair that's uncomfortable for an extended period of time is not fun at all, and you're going to develop all kinds of postural imbalances and stuff like that. Now, that is something we don't want to run into, because we will end up injuring ourselves. We want to get a chair that supports our lumbar spine and has adjustable armrests. Now, I don't have that chair at the moment, but I am looking. So get yourself a comfortable chair that you can sit in comfortably for an extended period of time so you do not injure yourself streaming and you stay healthy and in the game as long as possible. We should maintain, outside of our streaming hours, a physical lifestyle where we are being active wherever possible, going to the gym, so we can stay as healthy as possible, so we can give the most to our audience and our viewers that come in to watch us daily. So make sure you guys go to the gym, make sure you go for a walk, eat good food, and look after your body so you can give the most when you stream. Thank you guys so much for sticking around to the end of the video. I appreciate the love so much. If you guys could do me one favor and smash that like button and leave a fat sub on the video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. If you are wanting to come over to my Twitch channel and check out some of my content, my link to that will be down in the description. I am live 7 PM AEST most evenings. I haven't got a full schedule yet as I stream part-time and work part-time, trying to build up my stream so you guys can come hang out more often. Love you guys. Peace out. Thanks for watching the video. Now. Raya, you kicked my microphone over.